Achal, a very warm welcome to the Metaphor Lucknow Lit Fest. This is
Thank you
your
very
first
much.
time in Lucknow, and of course, first time at Metaphor. And we spoke before your session, and you were kind of stressed that the crowd is not very young. And I saw you with some of the people after the session. Could you tell us a bit more about this experience?
Oh, it was magical. First of all, Lucknow has been treating me so well. It. You just mentioned that people are moving to Lucknow now. I feel like I might just do that. Food is amazing. People are beautiful. So thank you for that. Yeah, the thing is that the session was about young people, poetry and all. So I was a little stressed that if uh, if I may say, older people, if they'll, resonate with us. But it was a good learning that art and words and emotions are universal. है ना सिर्फ छोटे लोग से ही आप रेजोनेट करें ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है इवन पीपल हु it was fun, it was magical.
Isn't that one of the main things that makes a person an artist, that you want to resonate, you want to connect? So, what were the emotions that made you turn into a spoken verse poet and get you onto this journey? What was the reason behind it or the motivation behind it?
To be very honest, it was chance, it was luck. My pieces went viral, and that is how I entered the space. But the beauty is that I have been struggling to figure out what I want to do in my life since forever. And so when that happened, when that virality happened, my journey from outward transformed into inward. Now I write just to write and not just for the numbers. So for me, how did I become was sure chance. But I, and also I am not very fond of labels. Right now, I'm a spoken word artist. Tomorrow, if I write a book, I'll be an author. Day after, if I write a film, I'll be a script writer. So I like to just say that I write for now. And it's the journey I'm following. I'm just enjoying the journey of writing because that's what's making me know myself better.
So, it's become more of an inward process
It
where
is totally.
writing makes you understand things about yourself at this
Totally.
point.
I have no idea what I write. I just pick up my diary or my laptop and I start writing and things just flow. Where are they coming from? I don't have a conscious idea of it, but they're coming somewhere from within, right? And that's beautiful when you know what you have inside of you. It's surreal,
You
it's
feel like
magical.
you're a vessel and the words are
I'm a medium,
medium.
is what I feel that words come through me. I never decide what I want to write. Even if the pieces are commissioned, even if someone's paying me to write them, I don't know what will come out. I know the broad idea of the script, of the topic, or the brief, but that is it. Rest is all someone's doing it.
And could you tell us a bit more about your early life and the formative years when you were figuring out what you want to do and how you want to be?
I am from Delhi. I was a good student, good at extracurricular, good at everything. And when you're good at multiple things, you're supposed to do good in life. So I was a victim of that. And then I figured I know how to make shows. I worked with a radio station, I worked with a TV channel. I've done photography for years. And everything was fun because everything paid my bills. But the quest or the desperation to know myself and my calling and my purpose was quite strong. लेकिन जब अपने साथ काम करना स्टार्ट किया and a lot of therapy, a lot of work on myself, the desperation turned into seeking, and yeah, that is it.
And what did you find?
That I love to write. That is it. That is it. The joy that one gets. I've dreamt of becoming this and that and everything, but I've not become anything. So there's a piece also where I say कि किस्मत नहीं लिखनी मुझे, मैं तो बस कहानियाँ लिख रही हूँ. Literally and metaphorically, I am not here to build. किस्मत बन जाएगी अपने आप. My job is to write, and that is it. That is it. Of course, there are other things. I hike, I embroider. All that is going to happen simultaneously. बट वट इज़ मतलब मैं ये भी नहीं बोलती हूँ मुझे किसी और से मिलने को, मुझे सिर्फ अपने अंदर जानने का मौका मिल रहा है एंड हाउ ब्लेस्ड आई एम.
I think life becomes an act of becoming yourself.
या
And any artist who's out there who is trying to figure out their own voice,
या
what is it that you would tell them?
I am, because I haven't figured my voice out because it's a very recent phenomenon in all this writing, and um, I just tell everyone I don't want to romanticize writing, life, art. देयर इज़ नो रोमांस टू इट. लिखते वक्त हम भले ही उसमें रोमांस ला दें, लेकिन द ओनली थिंग दैट will make you do better in life, that will make you find your voice, that will make you go places, is when you do it. You want to find your voice by writing? Write. You want to write better? Write. And you will write 10 bad things to reach that one good thing. You will write 10 different, you will reach or find 10 different voices. I wasn't this person a few years ago. I was this person who would scream about feminism and hum ye hain, hum wo hain. That doesn't happen like that now in my life. I will very subtly and calmly say whatever I want to say. Mostly I do get passionate about, some topics. बट हाँ, तो एक ही तरीक़ा है आपको अच्छा करने का, अच्छा लिखने का, और वो है लिखना.
And you mentioned that you're very outspoken about your feminism, and I think it's a phase that we all go through where our emotions are very raw in the beginning, and then we learn how to.
Yeah.
I don't know. Saying that we mask them is the wrong word.
No, it's a wrong. The thing is, हम सब लड़ रहे
I
हैं.
think we learned how to crystallize them.
I feel everyone's fighting a fight. How you fight, I am just learning to be mindful about that. I don't want to keep screaming कि मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया. I just want to आराम से अपने शब्दों से मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. और also the reality is, यार feminism का definition सबको नहीं पता. Feminism does not mean male bashing. So I'm also very aware of that. I am here where I am because of a beautiful, supportive partner who's a man, and there are other men also in my life. So कौन कहाँ किसको कैसे लेकर जाता है, अगेन टू ईच इज ओन. बट मेरे लिए इस समय तो फेमिनिज्म वो है.
And do you feel that the term feminism is getting obfuscated and used in the wrong ways?
इट इज़
What would you like to say about that?
यार, इनके सब अपना डेफिनेशन सबसे पहले तो डिक्शनरी में जाके देख लें. इट इज़ ओनली अबाउट इक्वालिटी. इट इज़ ओनली अबाउट वांटिंग टू डू थिंग्स द वे. यार, आपके लिए जो नॉर्मल है, हमारे लिए वो प्रिविलेज है ना. हम जिस होटल में रह रहे हैं, वहाँ पर जब हम हाउसकीपिंग को कुछ लाने को बोलते हैं, एंड 2 men कम एंड दे आर ब्यूटीफुल, दे आर वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल, एवरीथिंग, हम अभी भी पैरानॉइड हैं कि ये इतने प्यार से बात कैसे कर रहे हैं. हमें इतना पैरानॉया बना दिया है. दिस वुड ये थॉट आपको क्रॉस नहीं करता, राइट. सो इतनी बस लड़ाई है कि हम लोग डर के ना जी पाएँ, बस हमारे लिए उतना आसान हो जाए. आई एम स्टिल अ प्रिविलेज्ड पर्सन. देयर आर सो मेनी who are going through so much and dealing so much. So पहले डेफिनेशन ढूंढ लें और फिर समझें. क्योंकि जब भी मैं बोलती हूँ ना फेमिनिज्म या पेट्रियार्की के बारे में, मैंने अभी स्टेज पर भी बोला, सबको ये लगता है मैं आदमियों के खिलाफ हूँ. मैं आदमियों के खिलाफ हुई नहीं. मेरे पास बहुत ही बढ़िया आदमी है मेरे आसपास. मैं सोच के खिलाफ हूँ. आई एम जस्ट फाइटिंग फॉर दैट थॉट जो दोनों के पास होती है, आदमी और औरत.
It is so refreshing to speak to women who can speak their mind without being confrontational, without being abrasive about it, and still take a stand.
Yeah.
And if there's something that you would want to say to the feminists out there who are fighting this fight, who are facing these problems, what is it that it would be? Anybody who's struggling right now.
I am honestly no one to give anyone any advice, because honestly I don't feel I am. सब अपने हिस्से की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं और सबकी अपनी जर्नी है. अगर उन्हें लगता है कि उन्हें उस तरह से लड़कर कहीं पहुंचना है, तो that's their thing, and everyone's been through a lot, and I don't want to be judgmental of anyone. So I just hope I give a lot of power and strength to all the women and men who are fighting for equality, whether it is for women or color or race or religion, anything.
And to close out the interview, we would love you to say a few words about your experience at the Metaphor Lucknow Lit Fest.
Now, मुझे लखनऊ ने थोड़ा निराश किया, क्योंकि गूगल में हर जगह लिखा था ठंडी होने वाली है, और ठंडी का ठ भी नहीं हुआ है. मैं सारे गर्म कपड़े लेकर आई हूँ. मगर पीपल हैव बिन अमेजिंग. लाइक यू ऑल्सो मैंशनड, देयर इज़ नो, आई हैवंट. नॉर्थ ही तो है, दिल्ली भी नॉर्थ है, ये भी नॉर्थ है, यूपी है, लेकिन सब बड़े, एटलीस्ट हमें जो मिले
सलीका,
बहुत तहजीब से मिले हैं. और उस पर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज even a man is showing his masculinity through calmness and softness, and how beautiful is that?
That's so good to hear.
Right? Soft does not mean feminine, and that is so amazing to see beautiful men out here and women doing an amazing job. लखनऊ ने मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. मैं बहुत खा रही हूँ, by the way.
हम उम्मीद करते हैं आप लखनऊ आते
रहेंगे.
It was an amazing session that you were in right now, and people were so touched
Thank you
hearing your
very
poetry.
much.
I
Yeah.
saw this lady approach you and she was almost crying and she was
Yes, yes,
twice our
yes,
age.
yes. It is. It's my honor. It's my honor that the words, because I do believe that the most personal emotions are the most universal, and वो resonate करना ही है, and that is it. Thank you very much for having me. You all are amazing.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.